Hey, this is Ramiro with CarHavn. We have a special guest today in the shop. It's a 2003 Audi RS6. Yeah, the RS6. This thing has a 4.2 twin-turbo V8. To give you some context, back in the day, this was an $82,000 car. I've been a car fan forever, and I remember reading in Current Driver, there was a comparison between this guy, an E39 M5, a Mercedes E55, and I think a Jag Type SR, some piece of crap car like that. And this was the winner. They checked a bunch of different things, not just engine side, but driving dynamics and how it brakes, the whole shebang. It was a cool test. And now, so many years later, we have a chance to actually work on this car. This is a car that not even any Audi dealer wants to work on. It takes guts to work on this vehicle. For almost anything, you have to drop the entire drivetrain out of the car, so engine transmission have to come out. And this is exactly what we're doing with this vehicle. So jobs like this, you have to be super sure to do the right thing for the customer, which is to make sure that all that labor goes a long way, right? So we're doing a whole bunch of things. The main complaint here was a code on the torque converter, which is a very common thing in the C5 Audi platform. Even more so with such a big engine and that regular transmission. So we're going to be doing that. Once the engine is out, we're going to be plugging all the leaks of valve cover gaskets, camshaft gaskets. We're going to do a timing belt job also on the front water pump, the thermostat, the whole thing. So I just want to show you how that is done. This was a fun job. We're going to have a good time. Now we have the engine out, one of the most complex and beautiful pieces of engineering ever made. V8 4.2 twin turbo. Drivetrain has to come out for most of the work in this vehicle. You can see the turbos right here, one per bank. There's the other one right here. Look at this massive engine. With the engine out, we have a lot of things that we can do. We're going to be doing timing belt, water pump, thermostat on this one. Also valve covers, leaking. Look at these big turbos. Gonna check also timing gaskets, timing cover gaskets, of course decarbonization, rear main seal, torque converter, all of that gets checked out with the engine out. Always fun to see the car without the engine and transmission. Clean the inner cores too for the turbos. A lot of work can be done in this car like this. Okay, now we have the engine and the transmission back in the car. All the leaks were patched up and sealed. New coolant, new oil, it started, ready to keep going. And this is exactly what you want to see after all the work done to the car. Look at that beautiful V8 twin turbo. The scanner, the green box says indicating no DTCs, no diagnostic trouble codes. Another beautiful job done right at CarHavn.